Hello everyone and welcome to a new review and continuing a series of AI tools. Today I bring to you Lexica. Now this is another beautiful tool to create images out of text. Now before we can proceed with the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join me in the Telegram group because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. Now coming to this particular tool, it's a beautiful tool, Lexica.art. As you can see, the images out here. So when you land on the homepage, which is Lexica.art, you will be able to see all these images. And if you hover on any of the image, you can see in a Western woman. This is the what do you say? The text what you probably put, not probably, is actually put to sort of generate this kind of an image. So how do you go about it? Let's move ahead straight away, and obviously you need to sign up for an account over here, and then click on generate. So here are a few renditions which I've done. I tried to play around with before I could make a video. Here is a couple on a super bike and man on a super bike kind of a thing. Here there is a couple sort of leading in heaven kind of I think here there are the keywords. Okay, man and his girl on the super bike. So this is something what it rendered, a couple holding hands in heaven kind. So obviously, this isn't a couple. Then a man and his girl in a super bike. That I don't know. There was some function which I was trying to explore, and Taj Mahal in a crystal ball. So these are the images of what I've generated. So let's do one right away for you. So what do we generate? Okay, let's type in. Okay, vintage car in front of a posh bungalow with lawn and swimming pool. Let's see what we get. It's quite quick too, and the good part of it is that you can download these images and there isn't any watermark. So here are our images. You can see over here it has picked up the bungalow part, the vintage car, a lawn. It has missed the swimming pool. So what I have seen over here is it does miss a few keywords. So probably you might need to limit it to a few. It's like here we had seen when we're mentioning of a couple, you have a 3, 2, and here is a single girl. Like when you're mentioning a couple over here, there is a single man, and when we are mentioning of a swimming pool, it has omitted that. So let's be a little to the point. Let's say what do we want to create. Okay. Let us create sunset on a beach. Wow, this is beautiful. So the content in itself is really beautiful. Images are rendered over here, and when you click on this outpaint is what I was talking about. When I clicked, I got multiple images. I couldn't find out any more things out of it. As far as you are wanting to download, you just open that, and here it is, your download. The moment you click on download, your image is done. You can like image. As far as editing option is there isn't much. I had not done Lexica. There's a voucher too. Let's try and see that with that what is the difference. not much as far as editing is concerned, but I think the images in itself are too beautiful. You don't need to do anything. So this is the output what we got with the aperture 2, and the output, the earlier one which we got was aperture 3. So both you can see are really beautiful ones, and the good part is you can download it without watermarks, and they look really beautiful. Coming to the account, is there a pro version? Coming to membership, yes, starter, you get 1000 fast generations per month for a starter pack. No slow generations, 2 parallel fast generations. Then you have pro version 3000 generations, and the max the 7000 generations. So what are fast generations for you? Every plan gets a set number. You can images are using a faster servers on the pro and max plan. So I don't know how many more images I can sort of draw using this free version of that, but I know everyone knows to play around how to get, if you want to get multiple ones over here. So I hope that you like this particular video. Do share this video so that it can reach to a lot of number of people. And if you want me to review any other tool, or if you know of a tool which you would like us to review, do let me know. And before winding up, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.